This 2025 Jayco Eagle HT25 RUC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Eagle HT25 RUC is 8,227 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.